Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander tire pressure light. First, it's crucial to ensure all your tires are properly inflated. For most Highlanders, the recommended pressure is 36 psi for both front and rear tires. Don't forget to check your spare tire too, as it can also trigger the warning. You can find the precise pressure details on a sticker inside your driver's side door or in your owner's manual. Next, let's locate your tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, reset button. Its exact position can vary depending on your Highlander's model. For many, you'll find a small button labeled TPMS under the dashboard, often close to the OBD2 port. Other models might have it situated below the steering wheel or even above the brake pedal. If you have a newer Highlander, the reset function is typically accessed through your steering wheel controls and the vehicle's multi-information display. Now, let's walk through the reset process. First, turn your Highlander's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. If your vehicle has a physical reset button, press and hold it down for about 3 seconds until the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard blinks 3 times. For Highlanders with the multi-information display, use your steering wheel controls to navigate to the vehicle settings. Find the TPMS menu, and then select Set Pressure or Initialize. To finalize the reset, start your Highlander's engine. Then, drive your vehicle for approximately 10 to 20 minutes at speeds above 25 miles per hour. This driving period allows the system to properly relearn and confirm the tire pressures. The light should then turn off. If the tire pressure light continues to flash after these steps, it might signal a sensor malfunction or a battery issue within a sensor, and it's best to have it checked by a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.